Okay. So the first gases we are using is the carbon dioxide in a MAP, modified atmospheric packaging, and this is the major gas that we are using, and it shows the powerful inhibitory effect on the growth of bacteria as well as on the mold, and some anaerobic and facultative bacteria are also inhibited by the carbon dioxide. So this is about the CO2. Then their function, how they involve in the extension of the shelf life of the fish. So this carbon dioxide, they are soluble in lipid and water. That is the nature of CO2, carbon dioxide. So if they are having a solubility nature into the lipid or into the water, so what will happen if we are using a high concentration of CO2 into the food, into the fish and fishery product? Because fish and fishery products, say for example, fatty fishes or the fishes which contains a more amount of water in their body. So if we are using a high concentration of CO2, they will react with our food. Food is having a high amount of water, then this water will react with a CO2. So what they will form? They will form carbonic acid. If the carbonic acid is formed inside the food, because of the acid formation, the pH of the mussels will lower. It will be reduced. And if the pH of the mussel is reduced, first of all, we will get the acid taste in such kind of food. Second, because of the lowering of the pH, the functional property of the protein is, one is the water holding capacity. So water holding capacity of the protein will be reduced. Because of the water holding, because of the lowering of the water holding capacity of the protein, it may form a drip inside the pack. This is most important. You must have to remember and you must have to understand how this phenomena, how this reaction is occurring. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Can you brief? Can you brief?
यस सर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन जब इंक्रीज होता है तो कार्बोनिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन होता है सर।
ठीक है।
और उसका पीएच कम हो जाता है, लो हो जाता है, जिसके कारण उसका टेस्ट एसिडिक हो जाता है सर।
पीएच क्यों लो हो जाता है?
ये कार्बोनिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन होने से सर।
अच्छा, ठीक है। देन
तो इसीलिए उसका पीएच कम हो जाता है और एसिडिक टेस्ट हो जाता है।
ठीक है। देन
और प्रोटीन का फिर वाटर का होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी रिड्यूस हो जाता है।
उससे क्या होता है?
जिसके कारण ड्रिप
उससे क्या होता है?
होता है सर।
उससे क्या होता है?
सर उसका फ्लेवर और टेस्ट खराब हो जाता है सर।
नो, उसका जो है उसमें पैक में ड्रिप फॉर्मेशन होगा। व्हाट इज ड्रिप? ड्रिप, व्हाट इज ड्रिप?
सर फ्लूइड का फॉर्मेशन होगा सर।
किसका?
ये वाटर ड्रॉपलेट।
वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स?
फ्लूइड का वाटर ड्रॉपलेट का फॉर्मेशन।
वाटर ड्रॉपलेट?
यस सर।
नो, वाटर
रिएक्शन के बाद एक प्रोडक्ट वाटर होगा सर।
How this carbonic acid is formed? Anyone?
CO2 प्लस वाटर से रिएक्शन हुआ तो
यस सर, CO2 एयर के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो कार्बोनिक एसिड फॉर्मेशन होता है सर।
It is very simple. CO2, sorry, CO2 plus H2O is equal to this
H2CO3
see this
HCO3
H2CO3.
yes sir
There will be H2CO3.
CO HCO3 minus plus H plus।
अरे उतना डिटेल में नहीं जाना यू बेसिक यू अंडरस्टैंड। हमको आप बैलेंस ही उसको पूरा ये नहीं है। CO2 that means one molecule of carbon, 2 molecule of oxygen is reacting with a 2 molecule of hydrogen and 1 molecule of one molecule of water is reacting with a 1 molecule of CO2. So this CO2 and H2O is combining and forming H2CO3. So this is your carbonic acid. If carbonic acid is formed, pH will be lower. pH is reducing, you will feel the acid taste. Because of the lowering of the pH in the muscles, the functional property of the protein will be affected. So water holding capacity of the protein will be reduced. Because of the water holding capacity of the protein is reduced, it may form a drip. Drip is the amount of water which is released from the food to your pack. Understood?
Food pack.
Yes sir.
Okay. आगे
Yes
चलें?
sir. Yes sir.
Yes sir।
This is the one reaction is occurring in our pack if we are using a high concentration of CO2. Second reaction is that this we have to remove now. Okay. So second is that reaction, high concentration of CO2, it also produces or changes in the organoleptic chain. You may feel that coarsening of texture, alteration of the color, where in the belly flap region, in the cornea and skin of the feces. If the high concentration of CO2 is used in MAP, it may also affect the organoleptic change or organoleptic character. What do you mean by organoleptic? What do you mean by organoleptic? No one is telling here. What do you mean by organoleptic character?
taste, smell.
जो कैरेक्टर को हम अपने ऑर्गन सेंस ऑर्गन के द्वारा उसको ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं। से फॉर टच, किसी को टेक्सचर व्हाट इज टेक्सचर? ये डेफिनेशन शब्द नहीं है तो पता नहीं यार ऐसे कैसे होगा। See, suppose किसी का टेक्सचर है, suppose muscles है, muscles whether it is a firm or a stiff or elastic in nature, how you will feel by using your sense organ. So you have to just press a thumb impression on that. So if the muscle is firm, if the muscle is stiff, if the muscle is elasticity, you will feel the texture, character. Then alteration of the color. Color you can easily see by your eye. Eye is also a sense organ. You can easily see color. So belly flap region and cornea and skin, all these three where the color may change. Then another changes is that excessive absorption of carbon dioxide. If we are using a high concentration of CO2 into the map, there will be absorption of this CO2 into the pack. That means if the food is containing a high amount of water, so this, because of the high amount of water, CO2 will be reacting. So earlier at the time of selling, whatever the composition we have feeded into the pack, that will be not same. So it may vary. So if the CO2 is consumed, all the CO2 is consumed, your pack will collapse. है कि नहीं? अगर हम कोई पैक में गैस कंपोजिशन भर के रख दिया है, वो पूरा अच्छे से है, लेकिन वही गैस अगर हमारा फूड से रिएक्ट हो जाए और सारा का सारा फूड में चला जाए, कोई अलग कंपाउंड बना दे, तो डेफिनेटली जो पैक में जो हमने गैस भरा था वो तो अवेलेबल नहीं रहा. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, पैक हमारा कोलैप्स हो जाता है. कोलैप्स मींस वो पचक जाएगा तुम्हारा. Why? Because there will be a lowering of the internal pressure inside the pack. Okay?
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
This is important here. In case of map, so you have to remember, and most commonly come in this ARS exam. Writing, you will get map, and also here the composition is important. At what composition gas mixture is used for different kind of fish and fossil products, and what is the role of that gas. Then another gas which we are using in modified atmosphere packaging is the nitrogen. This nitrogen is an inert gas having tasteless, with low solubility in lipids and water, whereas CO2 was soluble in lipid as well as in water. But this nitrogen is not soluble in, or sorry, not soluble, with having a low solubility in lipid and water. It is a inert gas, tasteless gas. Why we are using into this map? Mainly to displace the oxygen. Suppose if we don't require the oxygen inside the pack, then we have to displace, we have to remove the oxygen and introduce the nitrogen gas. So if we are removing the oxygen from the pack, and if the fatty feces is there, so we are also preventing the oxidative residue, because no oxygen is there. So if no oxygen is there, definitely the oxidative residue phenomena will not occur. So that's why we are using a nitrogen in case of fatty feces map. Because unavailability of this oxygen, oxidative residue is reduced or retarded. At the same time, they inhibit the growth of aerobic microorganism, because we have removed the oxygen. If oxygen is there, they may support the growth of aerobic bacteria, but we have removed the oxygen and introduced the nitrogen. So there is no oxygen. That's why they inhibit the growth of aerobic microbes. But at the same time, they may also support the growth of strictly anaerobic bacteria. You have to remember like that. Then it is also used as a filler gas. जो हमारा लेज है, कुरकुरे है, चिप्स है, उसमें क्या क्या फुला देते हैं. पैक हमारा कोलैप्स नहीं हो, फूड प्रोडक्ट हमारा डैमेज नहीं हो, तो वी आर यूजिंग नाइट्रोजन एज ए फिलर गैस। और अगर हमारा जो फूड है, अगर वो फूड हमारा हाई कंसेंट्रेशन में CO2 यूज कर रहे हैं, पैक कोलैप्स हो रहा है, तो दैट टाइम आल्सो यू कैन यूज्ड एज ए फिलर गैस नाइट्रोजन। नाइट्रोजन
सर
आल्सो
ये
हेल्प्स। हाँ हेलो,
ये जो नाइट्रोजन है मैप में, तो ये तो सर ऑक्सीजन को डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है सर, हटा रहा है वहां से, तो जिसके वजह से जो मतलब एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया है उसका डेथ हो रहा है सर। तो ये तो सर CO2 भी कर रहा है, वो भी एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया को मतलब कि वो अटैक कर रहा है, और जिसकी वजह
करेक्ट
से उसका मतलब जो अमाउंट है, हाँ, तो फिर उसमें मतलब फैकल्टेटिव और एनारोबिक, तो सर ये दोनों का फंक्शन ये भी जाएगा ना कि मतलब सेम CO2 और नाइट्रोजन N2 दोनों ही ऑक्सीजन को डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है, जिसकी वजह से एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया जो है वो कम हो रहा है या फिर
हाँ
उसका
सही, सही है ना, क्या दिक्कत है? both are, both CO2 and N2 we are using. Why we are using? ऑक्सीजन टू रिमूव, उसको डिस्प्लेस करने के लिए। तो अगर पैक में हमारा CO2 नहीं रहे, सॉरी पैक में हमारा O2 नहीं रहेगा, ऑक्सीजन नहीं रहेगा, तो डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी नो ग्रोथ ऑफ एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया, बिकॉज एरोबिक बैक्टीरिया दे रिक्वायर ऑक्सीजन टू सर्वाइव, but it may support the growth of strictly anaerobic bacteria. Why I am telling strictly anaerobic bacteria? Because they require an anaerobic environment. So in such kind of pack, the strictly anaerobic bacteria may grow. हाँ बोलो, और क्या कुछ दिक्कत हुए सोनू?
नो सर, नो सर,
क्लियर है ना सब?
यस सर।
So this nitrogen also helps to prevent the mold growth and insect attack. Insect attack mainly जो हमारा देखिए, अगर कोई रॉ फिश है या फिर अगर वो खराब होने लगते तो देयर विल बी फ्लाई आकर के उस पे अटैक करते हैं, because of the moisture into the food. If the moisture is there, insect will come and they will eat the food or fish and they will lay down their drop. उसका जो है खाएगा जहां, उधर ही वो अपना मीन्स लेटरिंग करेगा, साथ में साथ वो अपना ड्रॉपिंग के साथ में अपने बच्चे को भी निकालते हैं। Eggs will be there, so eggs will be developed into the larva and larva will be again into the adult. So that is there. So this is the second gas that we are using into the modified atmosphere packaging. Then last one is the oxygen. Oxygen will inhibit the growth of strictly anaerobic bacteria. Why? Because we are using the oxygen, so it will support the growth of aerobic bacteria, but at the same time it may inhibit the growth of strictly anaerobic bacteria. Okay, then oxygen is usually excluded from the atmospheres used for the fatty fish. Suppose fatty fish, if we are packing the fatty fish into the map, then we had to exclude the oxygen from the pack if we are using a fatty fish. Why? Because if oxygen will be there, then definitely it may enhance the oxidative rancidity. Oxidation process may enhance because oxygen is there. So this oxygen may support or enhance or activate the oxidation process because of the fatty fish. Fatty fish, they are having a high amount of polyunsaturated fatty acid. So these polyunsaturated fatty acids are unstable if we are exposing into the oxygen or atmosphere. So it will be oxidized and it may forms peroxide, hydroperoxides, aldehydes, ketones. So it depends upon the rate of oxidation process, whether it is a primary oxidation or secondary oxidation or tertiary oxidation. So that's why we have to remove the oxygen from the fatty fish pack. Okay, then but if there is a lean fish, lean fish is your means non-fatty fish, then we have to include the oxygen into the pack. Then there will be means no oxidation. But for respiring fruits, inclusion of oxygen in the atmosphere is necessary. In the means beginning of this class, I told two kinds of food product is there. One is respiring in nature and another one is non-respiring in nature. So if respiring fruits or vegetables we are using and we are packing into the MAP, then we may include the oxygen. Why we are including the oxygen? To support the basic metabolism activity. Then this if the level of
सर
बोलो ना.
सर इनिशियली शुरू में लिखा हुआ था कि मैप सिर्फ नॉन रिस्पायरिंग प्रोडक्ट के लिए यूज करेंगे.
Basically we are using for non-respiring only, but if you are interested to pack means this respiring fruits or vegetables, then you don't have to make a hole. Because why we are making a hole? To allow the means gases from atmosphere to the pack, and also allow the gases from pack to the atmosphere environment. So there will be exchange of the gases from the pack and from the atmosphere. But if you are using a respiring fruits or vegetables, then for MAP especially, then no need to go for whole नहीं करने की जरूरत है. Then you have to incorporate the oxygen. Why we are incorporating oxygen? Because they require for the metabolic activity. So that's why we have to incorporate. But basically we are using for non-respiring food. Okay, most commonly used for that. So this is a special case if you are using that. So if the level of oxygen is maintained below 2% in the atmosphere, then development of rancid odor and flavor can be greatly retarded. So that is the limit. Then this is important, composition of gas mixture. So we are having two kinds of fish and fishery product. One is the fatty fish, another one is the lean fish. If we are having a fatty fish, then we have to use the composition of gases in. For lean fish, we have to use the composition of gases, three gases in three proportion. Three composition: CO2 40%, N2 30%, O2 30%, 40 30 30. Okay? अगर fatty fish है तो 60% O2 60% CO2 और 40% हमारा N2. This is important. Most commonly come in the JRF, SRF, ARS exam. You don't have to forget if you have studied the MAP. We are having a two different composition. For fatty fish, we are using a CO2 and N2 having a proportion of 60 to 40. That means 60% हमारा CO2 होना चाहिए और 40% हमारा नाइट्रोजन होना चाहिए. अगर लीन फिश है तो हमारा 40:30:30. दैट मीन्स 40% हमारा CO2 होगा, 30% हमारा नाइट्रोजन होगा और 30% हमारा ऑक्सीजन होगा. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So by application of all these, we can achieve the extension of the shelf life at 0 degrees C up to 9 days for lean fish. But at 2 degrees C, we can achieve up to 5 days only. So that is the theoretical, but practically, if you are interested to do the storage study of by using the MAP of a particular fish or fishery products, then you have to use the MAP machine, pack into the MAP, and then do the storage study at a different temperature interval. So you may easily find out these products we can keep as such at 0 degrees C for 10 days or 12 days or 15 days, So if you're doing the storage period, study them. तो आज के लिए हम इतना ही, फिर नेक्स्ट हमारी क्लास लेंगे. थैंक यू. अगर किसी को अभी भी कोई कंफ्यूजन हो तो वो अपने स्वेच्छा से हमें पूछ सकते हैं. If you are having any doubt, any confusion, you can ask.
सर फैटी फिश में ऑक्सीजन यूज नहीं करेंगे
ना? क्यों ऑक्सीजन नहीं हम यूज करेंगे?
उसमें जो
ऑक्सीडेटिव एसिड,
क्योंकि हमारा फैटी फिश है. Fatty fish is having a high proportion of polyunsaturated fatty acid or highly unsaturated fatty acid. These polyunsaturated fatty acids, if oxygen will be there inside the pack, it will be activated. Oxidation process will be activated and it may enhance or support the oxidation process. So our fat will be oxidized. Our fatty acids will be oxidized into the peroxide or hydroperoxide, aldehyde and ketones. That's why we have to exclude the oxygen from fatty fishes by using this map. If you are using a map, that.
तो उसमें सर एनारोबिक बैक्टीरिया अगर रहेगा तो उसको फिर इनहिबिट करने के लिए जैसे सर ऑक्सीजन यूज करते थे उसमें लीन फिश में, तो एनारोबिक बैक्टीरिया को हटाने के लिए सर फिर क्या करेंगे इसमें फैटी फिश?
See, mostly जो स्पाइस काइंड ऑफ बैक्टीरिया है, they are aerobic in nature. Why we are extending the shelf life of the fish and fishery product? Why? To stop the activity of enzyme, to stop the activity of microbes. So in case of MAP, with the help of this gases, we are reducing the activity of, or we are inhibiting the activity of microbes as well as the enzyme. How we are stopping the activity of enzymes? By storing at low temperature. And how we can inhibiting or stopping the activity of bacteria? By incorporating a different composition of or different composition of gas mixture.
Yes.
Okay. So basically,
okay.
But one thing is that microbes will be pathogenic is also in nature. So there may be chances that pathogenic bacteria may be there. But you have to do the handling process hygienically. ऐसा नहीं है मतलब unhygienically you have to handle. You have to wash your hand. You have to water which you are using for cleaning the fish, that should be potable. So there should be good manufacturing practice and hygienic practice. So if you are maintaining GMP or hygienic practices, then definitely that pathogenic microbes will be not there in your food. So that is the level of practices, handling practices you must have to adopt. Anyone? बताओ भाई, कोई पूछना चाह रहे हैं तो पूछ सकते हैं.
सर इसको स्टोर, सर मैप प्रोडक्ट को स्टोर हम लोग 0 डिग्री पर ही स्टोर करेंगे.
Low temperature we can, if you are storing at low temperature na, so you can keep for longer duration of time. But if you are keeping, because you have to sell your product as a fresh.
Yes sir.
तो फ्रेश कब तक रहेगा भाई? जब तक हमारा टेम्परेचर लोअर नहीं रहेगा तो यू कांट सेल योर फिश. क्योंकि डिमांड क्या है मार्केट में? डिमांड है कम से कम प्रिजर्वेटिव्स होना चाहिए हमारा मछली में और वो फ्रेश होना चाहिए. So
yes,
that's
sir.
why we are using a lower temperature for storage in case of MAP.
स्टोरेज के लिए.
ओके सर.
और कोई?
सर रेंज क्या होगा लोअर टेम्परेचर का जो स्टोरेज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, उसका रेंज सर?
लेस देन 5 डिग्री से. जो चिलिंग टेम्परेचर है ना, चिल्ड स्टोरेज टेम्परेचर, दैट स्टोरेज टेम्परेचर वी हैव टू फॉलो, लेस देन 5 डिग्री से.
Okay, sir.
but not less than 0 degree C. 0 to 5 you can say. 0 to 5.
Okay, sir.
और कोई?
हेलो
हाँ बोलो।
सर, वो ड्रिप लॉस हो रहा है तो उसके साथ तो कुछ वाटर सोल विटामिन भी तो लॉस हो सकता है।
ड्रिप लॉस हो रहा है तो
उसके साथ वाटर सोल्युबल विटामिन भी तो लॉस हो सकता है प्रोडक्ट।
some amount, not huge amount. Yeah, it may loss. हो सकता है।
यस।
और कोई? अदरवाइज हम क्लोज करते हैं सेशन। किसी को पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं।
ओके सर,
क्लोज करें?
थैंक यू सर।
क्लोज
Yes,
करें?
sir, close.
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
Yes.
चलो ठीक है, पढ़ो अच्छे से। ये मैप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir.
एग्जाम कब होगा?
वो बता देंगे, अभी तो हम नहीं बता पाएंगे, बट हो जब होगा तो बता दिया जाएगा। फिलहाल अभी घर पे रहो, अच्छे से रहो। बीच बीच में क्लास हो रहे हैं तो क्लास अटेंड करो। हाँ
नहीं सर, कम से कम 10 दिन पहले बता दिया जाएगा ना?
हाँ बता दिया जाएगा। ठीक है।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर। ठीक ठीक।